customer and project, what you're going to do is go and see what the structure or set up the structure for that account. So you click on structure, and by default we give a location, building, and floor. So if I go to location, I can change that to wherever that account's located, and again fill in contact information for that building. So now we're down to the building level, we're down to the location level, and so you want to fill it in for that location. Location can have multiple buildings. Again, you may want to fill in how many employees are there. Click on save. I then have buildings. We're doing our hospital, so I can call it a hospital, maybe a comment for that. And then I have my floors, and by default we have floor 1. In any of these cases I can build this up. So if I have multiple locations, I just click on the location. So I have a second location, New York, and again fill in the appropriate information. For down here with building, I could have a separate building, and we could call it Middle East, and we'll go ahead and save that. And then under the floors, again we have multiple floors, so this could be main floor, and the floor you want to relate to, if you're going to use floor plans, you want the floor to relate to that. So this could be something like main floor east, and all we have to do is go ahead and select a file, which is our floor plan. And it's really great to have floor plans. You can use the tool without mapping, but when you do map, you get a lot of credibility with the client. The floor plans have to be image files, so a PNG, a JPEG. If I have a PDF, I have to convert it. PDFs are labeled or have different levels to them, so they're not like a flat image. So you need to have that. And so here I have my floor. I could remove it or save it as required. So I'm going to go ahead and save that floor. And let's say I want to have a second floor, so I can keep building that up. All I do is click on here. And so now I have my second floor, which is called floor 2. Go ahead and select the file, and I will select a different floor. And there we have it. And important distinction, floors without a floor plan attached, I will not see this icon. This little mark here means I do have a floor plan attached, which is really, really good to have. The other thing I can do here is I can create my departments. Really easy. I hit my plus sign and fill in my department. So if I'm going to gather information based on departments, it's really easy. I'm going to set that up here, and then when I do my mapping and data collection, I will have my departments. And the same thing with the cost centers. I can create a cost center here. Let's just call it AP and save that. So cost center, of course, different than department, but I can create all that at this point. And so now I have everything set up. If I have all this information, location, building, floor, in a CSV file, I don't have to go through this manual step, and we'll show you later as part of the import how that could all be imported in, and this could be built that way as well.